start with a quick introduction and then we'll take the questions one by one. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure. So,
Okay. So let's start.
So my name is Adarsh Agrawal, and I took a coaching from Mitul sir, probably in around June 2020, and the coaching finished in 3 months. So I got 680 out of 800 in GMAT.
That's good. Mhm.
Yeah, and now I got into Rutgers Business School, which is one of the best school when it comes to masters in quantitative finance. So that's pretty much about it. And now I would like to start with the questions that you guys have asked me. So
So I'll
could
just
you?
quickly ask the questions, yeah,
Yeah,
one by one. So it
yeah.
was great, like it was great that you got 680 in your GMAT. That's actually a pretty great score. So, like, how was your experience with the MG Prep?
So the experience was really good. I got to learn new concepts. Though my quant was really good in the beginning, from the very start, my quant was really good. I was struggling with the verbal part only. So it actually brushed up my skills in verbal, and I got to know few more concepts in quant as well.
Okay.
So it was a really good experience, and that's why I got this score. Because in the start, I was really struggling with the verbal part because of the man, and what made Mitul sir coaching different from others coaching is the direct access to the teachers, and students don't understand that hierarchy plays a very important role, and here there is no hierarchy. I mean,
Okay.
there is there is not good to have a hierarchy, because I have taken trial classes in some other institutes. I'm naming the institute. That institute is Jamboree, and there was the hierarchy. So teachers are, I'm, I'm being blunt. Teachers are
Okay.
working there for salary.
Okay.
If they are getting result uh, of 4 people out of 20, they are satisfied with it.
Mhm.
What makes
Okay.
Mithul's coaching different is he wants everyone to get a good score, because
Okay.
he's
That
not
sounds
doing
good.
this for self. Yeah,
So basically, it's the personalized approach that made you choose MG Test Prep in comparison to like
yeah.
other GMAT tutors out there. That sounds great. Like that sounds great over here. So moving on to the next question. Like apart from this, what else made you choose MG Test Prep, say in comparison to other service providers out there in the market?
I would say the
Like apart
quality
from.
education, the quality education, because as I've said
Mhm.
that I have already taken few classes in Jamboree, and though the time period was same, like 3 hours class of math in
Mhm.
that coaching center as well, but I was not getting that quality education from that coaching. First, and
Okay.
second is you are getting a direct access to get your doubts solved or cleared, like, because
Okay.
you are one call away with Natul sir. You can
Mhm.
ping him, you can call him. If he's busy, he will let you know, and he will definitely solve all your doubts. So that is pretty handy.
Okay. Okay. That sounds like pretty good over here again. And yeah. Anything else you would like to add on?
I think, yeah, actually I've already said too much, because as I've said, there is no hierarchy, and
Yes.
this is actually a major thing which students don't generally understand, but it is actually a major thing, because here, as I said, Mithul sir is teaching you to get good grades because you have already paid him. So
Mhm.
now what he wants is to get you have a good score.
Good GMAT score.
Yeah.
That sounds good over here. And what would you say? How did this coaching add value to your GMAT preparation?
Well, it actually boosted my confidence, because my confidence was really low in the beginning,
Mhm.
and it actually provides me with the organized structure of studying.
Okay.
So yeah, so in verbal, so they break down it in three parts: 2 weeks for SC, 2 weeks for RT, 2 weeks for CR, and 3 weeks for SC. So it actually gave me a roadmap where I can understand and learn these things, and then I can execute it properly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds again that's great over here. So basically, the major drawback that you were facing was on the verbal end, and that is how MG Test Prep actually helped you to boost your confidence.
Yeah, and at the same time, I got to know about few more concepts in quant side as well. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. That sounds pretty good. And just moving on to the last question over here. Is there any advice that you would like to give to the students who are struggling with their GMAT preparation regarding if they should choose MG Test Prep or any other GMAT tutors out there?
So there are other tutors which I would recommend not to take first of all. So there is one, I can name that one. It's eVerbal, because here or anywhere I think two type of things work. Either you are good at marketing or you are good at servicing. So eVerbal is very good at marketing, but its service is really poor. At the same time, MG Prep is not good at marketing because sir does not market that much. He believes in word of mouth thing. So yeah, first thing. Second, the advice that I want to give to students is it's not a difficult paper. It's actually a tricky paper.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's not. So GMAT is very different from CAT. People generally think that okay, I'm preparing for CAT, I can also give GMAT if I get a good score. It's actually a different deal, first of all. And second, you have to be very consistent with your preparation. You cannot, take breaks in between your preparation, like 3 days or 4 days off, and then you can again resume. In GMAT, it does not work like that. You have to prepare daily. You have to study daily. You have to take small steps daily, and then you can achieve a good score. Otherwise, there's a very, small margin for you to get a good score if you don't prepare daily.
Exactly. That sounds good. So over here, like you were saying that practice is the key, and one needs to be consistent throughout. That sounds pretty good over here. So thank you, Adarsh, for taking out the time for this particular review. I believe that your words would definitely be helpful for other students who are planning to take MG Test Prep coaching over here.
Yeah. And one more thing I want to add. Why students take MG Prep is because of the easy access to Mitul sir and to ma'am. Because whenever you have any doubt, you can just send the photos of the questions to MG sir, and you will get a reply within a day. You don't need to wait, and it actually plays a very important role because if your doubts are not getting solved, if doubt remains a doubt, then it becomes a very big problem at the
round the clock support is something that MG Test Prep is providing, and that is also something that differentiates them from other GMAT tutors out there. Yeah. Okay, great. Sounds good, Adarsh over here. So thank you again for taking out the time for this particular review, and we definitely wish you all the best for your career. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
It was great talking to you.
Yeah. Same here. Likewise. Yeah. Okay.
Have a great day.
Yeah. You too. Bye.